we are churning into the market nearly 1 million people coming from different stages of education into the labor market. But then opportunities for employment is not expanding fast enough. The public sector cannot absorb most of the people coming from these institutions. That's why the private sector needs to be the direction that we need to expand. The private sector must be expanded so that it can be able to absorb many of our people who are coming from higher institutions of learning. This is a challenge that government faces, and also our own people faces, that people should not just be looking at the public sector for employment.